It's all spectacle, no substance.
It's all spectacle, no substance.
It should have been a TV show.
It should have been a TV show. The dialogue was too true to the comics.
Malin Ackerman and Matthew Goode did not understand their characters.
Malin Ackerman and Matthew Goode did not understand their characters.
The squid is missing.
Squid is missing. The exclusion of the Black Freighter story removed a poignant metaphor.
It didn't truly capture the graphic novel's bleak, menacing tone.
It didn't truly capture the graphic novel's bleak, menacing tone.
Night Owl is more vulnerable in the source material.
Night Owl is more vulnerable in the source material.
Silk Spectre Roman 2 never confronts the comedian in the film.
Silk Spectre Roman 2 never confronts the comedian in the film.
Ozymandias was too villainous.
Adrian Bate felt he only had one way to save humanity, and that was to drop a giant squid on New York. It wasn't something he relished. It was an extremely painful choice he struggled to make, and it haunted him. In the movie, Vate delivers an eminently recognizable bad guy speech at the end and actually says his nuclear strike on millions of people is the world's punishment for getting so close to WEI. Conversely, in the comic, he insists, "I'm not a Republic serial villain. Do you really think I'd explain my master stroke if there remained the slightest chance of you affecting its outcome?" His character almost does a complete 180 in the movie.
The characters are more super than human.
This is a pretty big sticking point. In the comic, Dr. Manhattan is the only character with powers. While there's no suggestion that the other characters in the movie version have actual powers, so to speak, they are simply too capable as heroes and crime fighters. On the page, Night Owl Roman 2 Patrick Wilson is a clumsy brawler, almost too inept at fighting to really justify being a vigilante. In the movie, his inexplicably enhanced skill set is exemplified when he and Silk Spectre Roman 2 Malin Ackerman take on an entire squad in an alley, easily dispatching them and having fun doing it. Similarly, Rorschach Jackie Earl Haley kicks a ton of butt. The fighting is too slick, the fighters too gifted. These people are not superheroes. That's kind of the whole point, yet Snyder too often depicts them as such.
The film's ending changes the entire message of the comic book.
Manhattan Billy Crudup is not viewed as a villain at the end of the comic book. In the movie, he is. That's a significant departure. Let's ignore for a moment the giant squid which in the original pages of Watchmen targets New York. Courtesy of Adrian Vate / Ozymandias, Matthew Goode himself is nowhere to be found in the film version. Making Dr. Manhattan the Bogeyman may ultimately unite the world against a common enemy, but in the movie, the common enemy becomes the vigilantes / superheroes / what have you, instead of a giant squid. So, the question at that point becomes, what will the lives of the main characters in the story look like going forward? Probably not good, but there's no way to know. What's more,
hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.